This video I'll be showing you how to make money from Wow Plus. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video I'll be talking about the process of registering, how to put in your account details and how to withdraw, and I'll also be talking about the risk of joining Wow Plus. And again, joining Wow Plus is absolutely free. There's no money involved. You're not going to pay any money to join Wow Plus. So make sure you watch this video, follow the steps, and share this video, make use of the comment section if you have any questions for me. So guys, let's get started. So I'm going to be leaving the link to Wow Plus in the description of this video. Make sure you join using the link. Make sure before you join this site that you set your WhatsApp two-step verification. Make sure you do that, so that if anything happens in future, you'll be able to recover your WhatsApp. So you just go to your WhatsApp. When you get to your WhatsApp, click on these three dots here on the top right corner, then click on setting, then click on account. Then you see two-step verification. Click on it and turn on your two-step verification. Make sure you turn it on. So after you've done that, before you proceed with whatever you want to do in the site, so to be at a safe side. So if you click on the link, then it's going to take you to the website, and you see this authentication. So allow it to load. Wants to verify if I'm human, so allow it to load. So allow it to load. So once it loads, I'm just checking the bus. So once you check in the bus, it's going to bring you to this interface. So what you should do next is come down. You see this registration steps. What you need is put in your phone number, put in your email, then put in your password. So guys, I want to say this. If you're using your phone number and your email, please make sure that you're not putting the password of your email. Create a new password. Don't use the password you use for your email as your password. Change it, create a new password. Then after you filled that, you click on this box. Then if you check in the box, you agree and go to the next step. After you've done that, then you find yourself inside the app. So guys, you find yourself inside the app, and this is how the app looks like. So what do they do? These people, they have to connect. You have to connect your WhatsApp to their site for you to be able to make money. So when you connect your WhatsApp to their site, you can make money. You can also make money when you connect your TikTok to their site, and you can also make money when you connect your Facebook to their site or Instagram. But the risk now about this is that once you link your WhatsApp or your TikTok or your Facebook or your Instagram, anything you're doing in those applications, they are going to be seeing it. That's one of the reasons why I'm suspecting this site to be a scam, even though they do pay, because I've withdrawn money from the site, and with a couple of my friends also have withdrawn money from the site. But it's very, very risky, which that is the reason why I will advise you, if you want to sign up in this site, make sure you create a WhatsApp that you're not using for anything. Just create a new WhatsApp. create a new WhatsApp that you're not using for your business or anything, because your information will be at risk if you're using the main WhatsApp you're using for your business and other things. So if you want to join this site, create either a new WhatsApp or a new TikTok or a new Facebook or a new Instagram. Create the application, then link it here. So guys, that's the one of the ways you can make money. And you can also make money by referral. If you invite your friends, you're going to make money. So if you come here, go to the home page, so you will see complete new task. Once you tap on the complete new task, you see a lot of tasks. They just follow the steps, complete it, it will be checked, then log in to WhatsApp. So if you click on this login to WhatsApp, if you click on the login to WhatsApp, then it will bring you to this interface. Then make sure you connect your WhatsApp. So we are going to be connecting my WhatsApp that I'm not using. So let the verification, so I will check in. So that will bring this login, either to log in with QR code or link with phone number. So I'll just check tap link with phone number. So they are going to, so I will paste in the number I want to. Let me paste in the number I want to use. So guys, you paste in the number you want to use, then you click on get. So now they are going to give you code that you're going to link with the WhatsApp you want to connect. So now WhatsApp have sent me message. So what I will do is I will link this code MM87QNY5. I'll click on the message I got from WhatsApp. Are you trying to link a device? I'll click confirm. Then here is saying I'll click use mobile. I'll put in my password. Then I'll type in the code MM87 MM87 then QNY5. So once you do that, then your WhatsApp will be linked. So allow it to load. Your WhatsApp will be linked and you see it. So now guys, as you can see, your WhatsApp has been linked. You can see it. So you can see here is showing WhatsApp status online. So the more you are online, the more you're going to be making money. And another way to make money is to invite friends. If you look here, you see invite. Tap on it, then copy your invite link. You can see it here. Just tap on it, copy it, then share it with your friends. For each invite that complete all the steps, you'll be getting 3,800. Guys, that's it. Then the next step under the home section is for you to bind your withdrawal bank card. So if you click on it, it will open to a page where you're going to put in your bank account. So whenever you want to withdraw, if you click on initiate withdraw, you see the amount you'll be able to withdraw. You can withdraw 1,000, 55, 33,000, 55,000, 110,000. So I have withdrawn 1,000, and some other people have withdrawn 5,500, 33,000, and so rest of like that. So you can see I still have about 2,500 in my balance. So after you've made some money, then you can initiate for withdrawal, and rest assured you are going to be paid. But the issue I'm having is just that your information is at stake. Your information is at stake. That's why I will advise you to use all the social media or application that you are not using for anything. So it's better you just create a new WhatsApp or a new Facebook or a new TikTok for this purpose. So guys, that's how to make money from Wow Plus. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends.